find x. Welcome viewer, previous tutor here. Let's try to work out x in this video. Now, I know something must be clicking in your mind, whether to use a sine rule or whether to use a cosine rule, and you are debating which one to use. You can pause the video and try to find that if x is what I'm going to find as well. Let's continue. How do we find x? Look at how many angles have been given and look at how many sides have been given. They've given you 2 angles and 1 side. When you are given 2 angles and 1 side, you should always think of the sine rule. Are we together? Always think of the sine rule. And from the sine rule, we can have sine A. I've just tried to rewrite this. We can have sine of angle A divided by the side A. This is just equal to the sine of angle B, side B, and so on. If there are 10 sides, it will be the same. The ratio is the same. So in this case, let's say that this is our angle A. So it will be sine 57 degrees. We divide by the angle. The side here is what? X. The opposite side there is the side that you get. X equal to sine of angle 23 degrees. Which side? This side is the one which is opposite to that angle. So that's the angle B. That's the side B. We get 4. So cross multiply. So here x is just equal to sine 23 degrees equal to 4 multiplied by sine 57 degrees. Divide throughout by sine 23 degrees. I'm doing this so that we don't avoid the issue of rounding off. We need to find something that is quite accurate. Alright, so x is equal to, let's now go on our calculator. We can now multiply sine 57. That sine 57 we can multiply it by 4. Then we divide by sine 23. It's giving me 8.5856, something like that. So I can just round it to 2 decimal places, and this will give me 8.59 to 2 decimal places to be 8.59 meters. Did you enjoy this video? Please don't forget to leave a subscription. You can also follow me on Facebook and TikTok. Also for online classes, I'm very much available.